router. So let me try to log in also on this firewall. This one is showing almost login. Show interface management. 45 is our IP address. Dot 54. Right, guys. Continue. This firewall is logged in. This one is also logging. Okay. So till that light, guys, let's come back here. VPN. Theoretical part. Side-to-side VPN. Let's go to the slideshow. Okay, guys. And here, let me take the spotlight. So side-to-side VPN, guys. Okay, so basically, guys, what is the requirement of side-to-side VPN when we have two offices? Okay, office A and office B. Both are connected over the internet. Like this. As you know, internet is the publicly accessible. So what we need just one secure communication over this internet. Secure private network. So VPN is your virtual private network over the internet. Right? We are using this one over the internet. So this one is our VPN to make the communication. So minimum, guys, to establish this VPN, we should have public IP address on both sides, and both IP address should be able to communicate with each other. If we have communication between both public IP address, then we are able to enable this, right? So this one is the requirement of VPN. So let me close this marker. This one is not required. Oh, okay. So guys, here side-to-side VPN. Okay. So basically, guys, here in this, what happened? System that receive the traffic determine the remote private network looks up the next hop in the routing table. So basically, guys, in whatever we have side A and side B, okay, both public IP address should be able to communicate. Okay, if both public IP address are able to communicate, with the help of that public IP address, we build up a tunnel. So guys, 1 second, let me check one thing here. Phase 1, phase 2. Okay, here we have no need to build up that. Okay. So basically all these points, guys, we will be discussed later on. This one is the benefit and use of the VPN. But before that, we have to understand what is the VPN, right? So guys, here you can see. So here I will explain you one more thing with this drawing here. In the VPN, guys, what happened now? VPN will work in the two phase, right? Phase one is used to make secure communication, right? Like this one is our firewall 1, firewall 2, office A, office B. First of all, they will create a secure path, means secure route over the internet. Okay, for that they are using the encryption algorithm, hashing algorithm, right? This one is to create a secure path. This one is known as a phase one. In the phase two, what happened? Whatever data you are trying to transfer over this VPN tunnel, they will start encrypt that data and forward over the VPN tunnel. So that's why we have to, whatever encryption hashing algorithm you are using in the phase one, same encryption hashing algorithm we are using also in the phase two. So simply, guys, this one is the concept of VPN here, whatever we are using. So first of all, here we are going to study about the IKE phase one. Okay. So guys, here in this IKE phase one, how it will be work and how we are going to establish this IKE phase one. Okay. So guys, in the phase one, first of all, identify the endpoint of VPN. Means what is the endpoint? Who is the peer? Peer one is this. Peer two is this. Both are our peer. Okay. So it will be used peer ID to identify the device. Peer ID means it's a IP address we are using to identify the device. Okay. In this, guys, we have three mode: aggressive mode, man mode, auto mode, right? So we will be use here man mode, right? Here we will be use the man mode. Auto mode means automatically it will be select either man mode or aggressive mode. If suppose that if this side you select the man mode, right, and here you leave as a auto, so automatically it will be take the man mode. If this side there is a aggressive mode and this side is auto, so it will be select the aggressive mode, right? So but secure way is use the man mode, right? So guys, here in IKE phase 1, we are using the different authentication method, right? Oh, sorry. Diffie-Hellman key exchange, okay? Symmetric key algorithm, hashing algorithm, lifetime. Lifetime is not that much important, guys. There you can choose any default lifetime is there, but all other algorithm you have to select. Whatever algorithm you are select on your firewall 1, same algorithm you have to choose on your firewall 2, right? Both side algorithm should be the same. So guys, in the phase 2, here in phase 2, guys, we will be select which one protocol you are going to use encrypt and decrypt the traffic. Whatever traffic you are going to forward over the VPN, right? So how you want to encrypt and decrypt that algorithm. Okay, that thing we will be identify in the phase 2. And we will be defined our network, which one network you want to make the communication, right? So these option here in the phase 2. So here in the phase 2, guys, you will be get the option IPsec type mode, okay, DHPFS group, okay, symmetric key algorithm, hashing algorithm, lifetime. So guys, same method, same protocol, whatever you are using in the phase 1, but in the phase 1 we are using that one to just make the secure communication. Who is the right person, right? In the phase 2, same algorithm we are using to encrypt and decrypt our data. So guys, you can see we have these two firewall. Okay, both are the public IP address. Over this public IP address, we are creating the IPsec tunnel, right? So with the help of this, our private IP address are able to communicate with each other, right? So basically, guys, here, whatever the tunnel we are using now, that tunnel is bound with the each tunnel interface. To use the tunnel, we have to use tunnel interface. Okay. So this tunnel interfaces we have to configure on our firewall. Okay. It's a not your physical interface, it's a logical interface. Okay. So guys, with the one tunnel interface, you can use maximum 10 IPsec tunnel. So if we create a one tunnel interface, now with that one tunnel interface, we can create a 10 IPsec tunnel. So guys, you can see here, this one is the roadmap and packet flow, how we have to configure. First of all, this IKE crypto profile. In this IKE crypto profile, we will set our algorithm, whatever algorithm you are going to use to encrypt and decrypt the data. Okay. So here in the IKE gateway phase 1, here we will be mention which one is our zone, which one is interface, which one is your peer IP address. We have to give the information of neighbor IP address, right? And then IPsec crypto profile, right? So this IPsec crypto profile we have to call here inside the tunnel. This slide, guys, we will be follow during the configuration also. Then you will be get more idea. So 1 second, guys, here. Okay, here they didn't have mentioned the step how to configure the tunnel, how to use the all algorithm. So guys, from directly here, we are going to start the lab, right? But we will follow this image, this one image. Okay. I cannot copy this image to that document. Okay, guys, let me check if there is any predefined something on this. So let me clear that. Definitely here we have some configuration, initial configuration, right? So which one is used to make the connectivity to the internet, IP address configuration. Okay, we have VPN rule. So I'm going to delete this. Yes. Okay, apart from this 100% there is a VPN configuration. I'm going to delete that also. Okay, IK gateway. So guys, see, I just removed that IPsec tunnel, right? So IPsec tunnel, this one is our IPsec tunnel, right? Now next I'm going to remove the IPsec profile and IPsec gateway. Let me remove IPsec IK gateway, right? IPsec profile. Delete this. IK crypto. Right. So we have also here tunnel. Oh, tunnel we are using here in the routing table. So maybe we have also here static route, some type of routing here. So guys, our this firewall is ready for the VPN configuration. Let me check this firewall. This firewall is also coming up. So guys, our primary requirement, whatever IP address we are using here, 10.11 or this public IP address, both public IP address should be able to communicate with each other. So let me check what is the public IP address here, 12. Okay, so let me assign the public IP address here, 210.19.10.12. So this 11 and 12, both public IP address should be able to communicate with each other. Okay, guys. So here I am going to check the connectivity. Okay, so ping. Let me first of all ping my own IP address, 210.19.10.12. Okay, I am able to communicate with my own IP address. Ping source 210.19.10.12, host 210.19.10.11. So guys, see here, I'm not able to communicate from 210.19.10.12. Means I'm not able to communicate from this firewall to this firewall to, guys, 1 second, why I'm not able to write down here. Okay, okay, okay. I think guys some issue with this. That's why I'm not able to write with this marker. I have to find another option. This one. Don't worry. So this firewall to this firewall, I'm not able to communicate. So maybe something wrong on this firewall one. Okay. So let me check what is the wrong with the firewall one. Okay. So how will we identify that? We will be go here. So maybe guys, ping is not allowed on our WAN interface, right? Right, guys. You can see on this one, Ethernet 1/1, we didn't have allow any ping service, right? Nothing is allowed on this. So let me allow the ping firewall ping. Only one service I'm going to allow on this firewall. That one is ping. So now we have to perform commit. So after our commit is completed, we are able to communicate with both sides. So guys, let's wait finish for this one. But guys, till that, what we can do? I can check from the CLI. Oh, almost 55% done. Okay. Actually, guys, I press that enter now, so it take the password. I have to wait for that. So admin. So guys, quickly, but almost this one is completed. Right. So definitely now I'm able to communicate the both side. As you can see, ping is start working. Okay. We are able to communicate from 10.11 to 10.12. Sorry, 10.12 to 10.11. We are getting the response. Right. Almost commit is also completed. So guys, now whatever the configuration we are going to configure on the India firewall, same configuration we have to do on the cloud firewall. Right. So guys, here don't forget write down the step, right? So here we have to use also tunnel IP address. So for tunnel IP address both side we are going to use the 192.168.10.12 and this side I'm going to use 192.168.10.11, right? So this one is our IP address for both side. So we will start configuration from the India firewall. So first step, we have to create a tunnel. Tunnel 10, right? Virtual route, default, security zone. So guys, here we have to create a one separate VPN zone. VPN zone. So guys, here I will do one thing on the notepad. I will write out the step tunnel configuration. Tunnel configuration, right? This one is India firewall. Second step, guys, we have to create IKE profile. IP address here on India firewall 192.168.10.11/24. Right, services here we will be allow ping and SSH. Firewall access complete route. Okay, done. Yes. Our tunnel is ready. So IKE crypto profile, I'm talking about this IKE crypto profile. So guys, here we have also few predefined, you can use that. Okay, otherwise you can create your own custom suite, right? IKE profile. So here guys, development group, you can use anyone, 20. Authentication method, SHA-512. And guys, remember these parameter. Same parameter you have to use on the firewall too. Encryption, this. Lifetime, 8 hours. Okay. So these are the algorithm, whatever we are going to use in our IKE profile, right? Third step is IKE gateway, right? IKE gateway here. So guys, here we have to create gateway. This one is India IKE gateway. So guys, here which one version you want to use? IKE V1, V mode only, V1 mode, V2 only, or which one? Let's use IKE V2 only. Address. So which one interface, guys, we are going to use for VPN initiate? We are going to use Ethernet 1/1. What is the local IP address? It will be automatically pop up here. The peer IP address, we have to mention our cloud firewall one peer IP address. That one is 210.19.10.12, right? So guys, here authentication method, pre-shared key. So here guys, I will be use ASDF. That's all. ASDF, right? Local identity. How it will be identified? Local IP address is the this. So we will 210.19.10.11 peer address. 210.19.10.12. This one is, guys, our gateway information, means how our VPN will communicate from firewall 1 to firewall 2, right? Advanced option. So guys, here now we have to set our parameter IKE crypto profile, right? There's few minutes before we create that IKE crypto profile, this IKE crypto profile, let's call this, okay, and done. So our gateway is ready. Now fourth step, we have to create IPsec profile, right? IPsec profile means IPsec crypto profile. Let's give here name IPsec profile. I will use something like this. So here, guys, you have two options: IPsec protocol, ESP, right? If I select the ESP method, then I will be get encryption, authentication, DH group. I have also one more option here, AH. In case of authentication, this method, I am not getting the encryption algorithm, right? So we have to select ESP. So here encryption 256, authentication method SHA-512, group 2. Leave this as it is. Okay, right. Our IPsec profile is also ready. So next one is the fifth step. We have to create IPsec tunnel. IPsec tunnel. So let's go to IPsec tunnel. Add name. IPsec tunnel. What's wrong here? We cannot use space. Okay. Tunnel interface. You remember, guys, first step we create the tunnel. So we have to select that tunnel interface. So now our IKE gateway. We create here na IKE gateway. Our IKE gateway name India IKE gateway. IPsec crypto profile. IPsec crypto profile. Show advanced option. Tunnel monitor. Okay, we can also, guys, monitor our tunnel interface. So let me give the my peer IP address 210.19. Sorry. Right? Okay. So we will only monitor this. Tunnel is ready. So guys, till this step. After this, we will be test our tunnel. So guys, at this point, if you click on commit, so this status interface should be green. This tunnel status, this should be the red. That's okay. If this tunnel is green, that means everything is perfect. Then these 5 steps we have to perform on the second firewall. So it will be take time. Till that, guys, we will continue on the our firewall, right? Tunnel. Let's create that. Number, guys, you can use anything between 1 to 999. Okay, it's up to you. So guys, here virtual route 1, VPN zone we have already, so I'm going to use that. IP address 192.168.10.12/24, right? And here I'm going to use firewall 1 access. Okay, done. Our tunnel interface is ready. So what is the second step? IKE profile. This one, IKE profile. So guys, remember one thing here. Let's refresh this. Guys, something is wrong with this channel. Why it's not up? Oh, failed. Commit failed. 1 second. One second. IKE India Gateway version 2 have value non-auth IKE manager. IKE manager phase 1 is showing fail. 1 second. Control 0. Hmm, Actually, guys, 1 second. Yeah. Now it's okay. I think there is something missing. Any point is any step is missing in this. Okay. IKE profile. Right. IKE gateway here. So these two peers. Okay. ASDF at the rate 1234. ASDF at the rate 1234. Okay. Let's go to tunnel again. Now let me check here. India profile. Perfect. 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 Okay. Validate. Queued pending. So till that, let's complete this here. IKE profile add. We are using the strongest algorithm for everything. Okay, then it's easy. Okay, now it's in process. So for IKE, we are using the strongest algorithm. Now IKE gateway add. Right now, this one is the cloud one gateway. Which one method? Version 2. Right. Which one interface we are going to use here? So guys, this thing I need to cross check once again here. So Ethernet 1, right? So VPN here, I'm going to initiate from Ethernet 1. IP address, automatically we got peer IP address 210.19.10.10.11. Pre-shared key. So guys, this pre-shared key, we have to use the same on both sides. Capital ASDF at the rate 1234. Capital ASDF at the rate 1234. Okay. IP address. Local identification 210.19.10.12. Peer identification. Guys, this one is not mandatory. You can skip this one thing here. Right? So here IK Pro. Oh, choose hash value non-auth. One second, guys. Here I'm using the same algorithm. So I should get the same error message here. So basically, second thing is, guys, here, if you are getting these type of error here, right? Non-auth. AES-GCM, AES-GCM. There is, guys, something wrong with this algorithm. AES-GCM, GCM. And this one is the, once again, hash value AES-GCM. Let me check here. What's so wrong with this? Yeah, this one second, AES GCM. In place of this, let me use this one, non-auth hash value. Pending, let's wait, guys. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so it's in queued. Till that, we will continue our other configuration, right? So then we will check this thing later. So here IPsec, IPsec profile. We will be use here this method also same. Group 2 is fine, no issue with the group 2. So here on the firewall 2, last step is this. IP. You can give any tunnel name, guys, here. Right, our tunnel, we have to choose tunnel 10, gateway, whatever gateway we are using, cloud 1, this one, show advanced option, monitor, destination IP address is 210.19.10.11. That's all. Right, let's come back here. Yeah, guys, I was right only. Still, it's in process. I think commit is done. It's in queued. Now let's wait for that. Validation successful here. Okay. So now let me use the commit. In this side, guys, you will get the same error because of that error. See, guys, here, right? And by mistake here, I use validation to 2-3 times. That's why we are getting error. But same time, we can go here in the crypto and we can change that GCM algorithm. So what is the wrong with this GCM algorithm? I will show you how we can identify that thing. So now I think we are using CBC 128, right? So just let me cross check that. Yeah, CBC 128. Select this. So guys, here in the firewall, right, many times we are getting lot of error message, right? So what you can do here, so where is our failed? Open this. What is the error? One second, close. Commit fail. This. Copy this. Okay. Paste direct from Google. See guys, just only our gateway name is changed. We are using IKE, India IKE gateway, right? But we get some similar error. See guys here. No, not this one value is not supported. This one is not supported. Symptom, cause, resolution, right? If using IKEv2 crypto and using encryption as AES GCM is authenticated shall be set none. So in if we are using IKE version 2, no need to select this. Okay. IKE version 1 is not supported this. So this one is the cause guys here. Okay. How will we fix this? So simply whatever error you are getting here, just copy there and paste on the Google. Definitely related to that. Best thing is this guys. Just every time check with this knowledge base page. You will be get also a lot of other page, right? Maybe there is a community live page, document, multiple things are there. But best thing is you have to check with the knowledge base page, right? This one is the best practice. Let me close this and let's check validation in progress. Commit is in pending. So now after this guys, our tunnel should be up. Let's go to IPsec tunnel. See guys, status is up, tunnel information and this both are the red, right? Let's wait here, this side also. Till that guys, now we will be find out with which one network you want to communicate. In the behind our firewall 2, our LAN network is 192.168.2.0 and here we have 1.0. Let me note down both network here. 192.168.2.0/24 and here I have 1.0/24. So we have to put static routing for both of these network. Okay, and let's see. But first, let's wait for complete that commit process. Now commit is in progress. If we check on the tunnel information, right now we are not getting anything here. Because guys, still we have two step there. One is the routing, another one is the security rule. We have to allow the traffic over this firewall. After complete this, guys, our tunnel status should be green here also. 9900 almost done. Okay, complete. If you want to check the status, successful. This one is successful, right? Done. Let's go to IPsec tunnel. Status is green, and you can see tunnel is also up. Encryption decryption started. Let's refresh this also. Encryption decryption will be start. See guys, encryption decryption. But still we are not able to communicate with the private to private network. Let me show you. If you are thinking we can communicate, so let me show you. This one is my window PC. Oh, let me close this. This one is not required. This one is not required for testing purpose. Only this. Ping 192.168.2. Maybe IP address is on that side 10. But we will cross check the IP address. Okay. Show IP, I think the command. There is no IP address. So I have to assign the IP address. IP 192.168.2.10/24. 192.168.2.1 is the gateway. Now let's check even guys. Okay, ping 192.168.2.2.1 is my firewall gateway. I am trying to communicate with that, right? This one is my firewall IP address. Okay, perfect. But guys, just only verification purpose, let me check. This one is the right IP address. Maybe the IP address is assigned on somewhere else. The IP address is right. So guys, here, as per this picture, we are able to communicate from here to here and here to here. Just we didn't have communication. So now we have to configure routing on both sides, right? First, we will configure the routing on India firewall. Routing, and then site default, add cloud one. What is the destination? 192.168.2.0/24. If I want to make communication with this, so we have to forward our traffic to tunnel 10. And what is the next stop? 192.168.10.12. This one is the next stop. Okay. Right. This one is the routing here. Same routing we have to configure here, this side. Virtual route. This one. Static. Add India network. What is the 192.168.1.0/24? If you want to communicate with this network, so we have to forward our packet through VPN tunnel 10. And what is the gateway? 192.168.10.11. Right. Okay. And okay. So routing is done. Now we have to configure also, guys, security rule. Security rule is very important. If we didn't configure security rule, then how the traffic is allowed? So now for this, we have to allow traffic bi-directional. Trust to trust. Guys. This, okay. This here. Perfect. Add VPN rule. What is the source? We are forwarding our traffic from our trust zone to VPN zone. Destination is our, when we are sending packet out, that time is VPN zone. When we are receiving the packet, that time is trust zone. Application any, service any, action is allow and done. VPN rule, perfect. But we have to move. Okay, we can keep this rule also here. But best thing move. Okay, let's leave this rule here as it is. No need to move up. Now same thing we have to configure. Routing is done. We have to configure the security policy. Trust to VPN. But let me check that zone is trust, right? Or something else. 1 second. Let me check the zone name. I'm not sure about that. 2.1 we are using the, what is the zone? Trust zone, right? So here we have to allow also traffic from trust to VPN. VPN rule. Okay. Trust to VPN. Here, guys, trust to VPN. Application any, service any, action allow, and okay, done. And commit. This side commit in progress. So let's wait for commit, guys. Guys, here commit is in progress, almost 55% done. Now this side it's done. Okay. Let's wait for this side. %98 almost done. After the 100% it's complete, we are able to communicate. close. Okay, guys, now we should able to communicate with the 10. See, guys, we are able to communicate. Okay, but here we will be go to the network, or directly, guys, for verification purpose we can check the traffic log here, this side. Okay, and the second thing, guys, here, if you see the traffic encryption decryption, show the route, it will be show you the routing, right? And tunnel information. So, guys, here you will be, if you refresh, you can see packet are getting encrypt or decrypt. See, guys, we are able to communicate from 192.168.1.10 to 192.168.2.10. So, guys, this one is our VPN, right? See, guys, complete communication. So, guys, here now we have few things for troubleshooting, right? This thing we will be discussed tomorrow, right? First thing is here application. Here we are getting the ping, but here we are getting incomplete, unknown UDP, unknown TCP, insufficient data. So, guys, did you notice one thing? In case of an incomplete, what happened? We are sending the packet, but we are not receiving the packet, right? We are sending the packet, but we are not receiving the packet. That's why this one is showing incomplete, right? For more information, guys, what we can do, just open the packet, right? So now you can see this one is a TCP packet, session and reason age out. That means our TCP three-way handshake is not completed, and this one is getting, session is closed. When we are not getting the proper information which type of packet is going, so that time this one is showing application incomplete, means our three-way handshake is not completed. Means we have communication only one side communication, right? So in that case, we are getting incomplete here. But if I refresh once again, but I have to ping again, and then we will get this. Right, ping only one packet. Let me ping once again. This. Done. Yeah, guys, see, we got that packet. Here, guys, we are getting log little bit, maybe 20-30 seconds late, but we got the packet here, right? So this traffic is going from trust zone to VPN, trust zone to VPN. If I check on this side, let me close this. Here on this, VPN rule. See, guys, from VPN zone to trust, because this one is firewall 2, we are getting the traffic on firewall 2 from outside to inside, right? So this one is, guys, your VPN. So, guys, VPN is simple. Just you have to remember the step. right? Step 6 is your routing. 7 is your security policy. Simply, guys, in the 7th step, your VPN will be finished. Okay, and if you use the same parameter should be matched, then it's a perfect. Okay, guys.